Guys, you made it to another adventure. One that's so epic it has 2 P's in it. No, really it just has 2 P's because my last name is Epp. And that has 2 P's. So, you know, E-P-P-I-C, it's a pun. Ha! Laugh now, hit the like button because you know that you like puns. And I got more of them coming. In typical Cody fashion, I forgot to start this vlog when I started this adventure. So I'm starting it now on the top of this mountain. And I'm kind of stopped by some of these race terraces that are all around. Pretty neat stuff. It's very beautiful here. The temperature is like 4 degrees less or something like that. I can wear short sleeves and I'm not terribly concerned about getting a crazy sunburn. Maybe because my skin's a little bit used to it by now. The first sunburn's kind of worn off. Got to go through layer number 2 now. But, you know, roll the sleeves up. Makes me look like the badass biker, but I got my helmet on now. So today we are going to the Chocolate Hills, which is a very famous, iconic place for the Philippines. I don't know a lot about them other than they turn brown and they look like chocolate because they're brown and they're hills. So let's keep on going down this road and we're gonna find those chocolate hills eventually, and we'll send up the drone and we'll go exploring, do some cool stuff. So let's go. Oh my goodness, everything here is so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. I kind of want to move here already. Like, I would call that place Garden Town because it was literally just lined with flowers. It's like that's the town you go to buy your potted plants. That was unexpected. Barry was not expecting that. I think the most exhilarating part of my day right now is I used my horn today. So in North America, if you use your horn, it's like you're pissed off at somebody and you're like yelling at them with your vehicle. But everywhere else in the world that I've been, the horn is just like, hey, I'm here, just so you know, and like it's not offensive at all. So for me to touch my horn, it was like super exhilarating because I'm like, oh, here I go, I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna do it. And then I did it, and I was like, woohoo, inside. I wasn't actually screaming. That kind of would have been a little weird if I was cheering because I used my horn. I mean, everybody looks at me anyways, but you know, that would have just felt weird. So yeah, that is possibly the most exhilarating part of my day. I don't know, we'll find out what else comes down the road. Oh man, look at this. It's probably hard to see through the trees. Maybe as I go up here you can see. There's the ocean behind me. Oh, this is so good. So good. Check out this piece of equipment. Yeah, that's an ancient beast. Probably works just fine, because they never break. Ha. Okay, look at that. I actually just turned off my motorcycle. Save fuel. I'm going downhill anyways. I have it run. Whee! Look, Mom, no hands, but I'm wearing a helmet now. I don't want another $2.50 ticket. Okay, I had to stop and turn around and look at this. I'm pretty sure this is like a public service station that you can use. Maybe I'm wrong, but to me that's what I would use it for. You can drive your car on here and it's like your pit and you change your oil. It's pretty funny. I don't know if that's actually what it's for, but you know, the things you find when you're exploring a new country. To drink more water. Let's keep going. I must say, the guys that are painting the lines here, they do it all by hand, and like, they are very good at what they do. There's no drips or spills or like paint marks anywhere. Like, very good handiwork these guys have. I am impressed. Okay, so I found the Chocolate Hills touristy spot, and I can see the one hill where they have this big tourist lookout thing, and there's like a million people on it. That's not my scene. I don't like large groups of people holding cameras. It's uncomfortable. It's already hot enough. That's just gonna make me even more sweaty. What I did see though, sucker, it's windy. I don't know if you're gonna be able to hear any of this. I saw another one over there and like some little backcountry dirt trail going to it. So I'm gonna go to that one and I'm gonna see if I can climb that one in my super handy dandy awesome epic footwear for climbing. And we'll go have a look at that. See if we can experience the Chocolate Hills without the hordes of tourists that are on that one. Okay, Chocolate Hills secret back road. Entrance number right here. Let's have a look. I'm on a trail through a cornfield. This does not look like the corn that we have in Canada. Our corn grows much taller, but, well, I don't know. This could be very fresh corn. This road is bumpy. Okay, I'm searching for a chocolate hill, a non-touristy one, but I found a tree that's been harvested. But look at it. It's so red. Like, I wouldn't call it a redwood tree. I don't know what it is. Is it technically a mahogany? I hope I don't step in some ants or something that's gonna eat me. Oh my goodness, this tree is so cool. There's bugs everywhere. I feel like I'm stepping on a million things that are gonna kill me. Huh, very interesting. Look at all that. So those are lines they cut in there with a chainsaw. I wonder if they did that to weaken the roots. Sure, they made more here too. What's the point? I want to find the man that cut this tree down and ask him. This is neat. That's just part of the experiences. What do the locals do? Well, they cut trees down. We have lumberjacks where I'm from too. However, I'm assuming here the lumberjacks do not wear flannel. I wonder if that's like this little house at the bottom here. Is that guy like marking that that's his hill? It's very possible. Let's see if he's around and I can ask if I can climb up his hill. Hello. Can I go up? Yes. I can climb up there, I can walk? You wanna come? Well, this is cool. There we go, we're at the top. Look at all that. Say hi. Hello. What's your name?
JunJun.
JunJun? This man was friendly enough to show me the way up. And now we're here. The drone's flying, doing circles around us. And I'm wandering about. Look at all of them. This is very interesting. And you dug a hole here. Oh. What's that for? Do you go in there? No? Huh. Very cool. there we have it, guys. Another adventure so epic that it has 2 P's in it. That's right, we're cool like that. 2 P's in an epic adventure. That's a chocolate hill. You met the man that led me up there. You met his kids. And his kids even said that they were going to subscribe to my YouTube channel. They don't even have the internet at home. But you have the internet at home. So if you're not subscribed yet, you could go right now and you could hit that subscribe button. I'll even give you some time. Ready? Okay, you should have done that by now, right? You did it. If you did it, good job. You're amazing. I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you so much. We will see you in the next vlog on another epic adventure. We're gonna stop here. Hopefully the motorcycle doesn't fall. Oh, that's your view every day. It's not even fair. I come from Manitoba where it's flat, like the ocean, except there's trees. Imagine trees in the ocean so you can't see the ocean. It's just flat and boring. Oh. One more. Yep, it's that good. It's like an epic adventure. It needs 2 P's. That needs 2 size. Take a moment to collect myself, and I'll continue.